Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss about duct type sizing tool of Revit. We earlier we earlier discussed about the same tool, but in terms of duct sizing. In this particular video, we discuss the same tool in terms of pipe sizing, and also we'll see how we can, faster speed in terms of pipe size, pipe modeling, and how we can connect the plumbing fixtures in a faster way. So all both the things will combine in this particular video. Let's start. Let me create one plumbing project by choosing plumbing template right here. I think I do not need to describe why I'm choosing plumbing template because we are discussing about plumbing things in this particular video. So that is why each kind of plumbing fixtures we'll use and we'll see how it will be worked. So let me create one boundary and then we'll connect those plumbing fixtures inside this one. Let me create a shaft area. Maybe 50, that's fine. And then perfect. Let me trim it. And fine. So this is my shaft area. I'll align the bloom fixtures uh, along than these. So let me press the bloom fixtures. The first one is saying so. Okay. Let me place one bloom fixtures right there. Okay, fine. I guess this will be floor mounted, right? Yeah, it's based on level. So let me raise it a little bit and then we'll copy this one for the entire wall. Okay, let me go inside a section. Yeah, it's right here. So let me move the bottom portion. Let's go with right here. Perfect. Fine. Come right here, delete the section we do not need, and copy this one and constraint until right here. So I'll go with maybe 700 gap. 700 is very less. So let me make it like that. Okay, copy this randomly. 2000 will be fine, I guess. Anyways, yeah. So these are my wash basins or sinks, whatever you want to call it. Now place some WCs. Okay, let me go with these ones. So I'll start from right here. Perfect. Oh, sorry. I'm not sure it got placed or not. I'll see in 3D. So let me finish this one. Perfect. So imagine these are our plumbing fixtures. Perfect. And we have to connect all of them. So before, you know, starting, our key concern should be what kind of things we needed for this particular uh, what we can say task. So our first thing should be pipes, correct? Let me create my pipe right here, and I want to check which kind of pipe types we are having: cast iron, plastic, and standard. We can go with standard or plastic. I'll go with plastic. Okay. Why plastic? Because will have the what we can say the normal size of the pipes 10, 15, 20, 25, something like that. In this video, those are needed. Okay, so if you are not having those kind of pipe sizing, either you can select as per your pipe types, or you can click on edit type and then routing preferences, and then write your segment and sizes, and then you can create right here. You can create new pipe segment if you want. If you want this kind of video, create that one. Just comment in this particular video. Okay. Uh, Now the second thing, system types right here as well. So we need domestic converter because in this particular video, what we'll do, we'll create a header of domestic converter and we'll connect each and every plumbing fixture with the domestic converter in a faster way, and we'll resize it as per duct pipe sizing tool. Okay. So we are having domestic converter system type. That's very important for this particular video we are having. And pipe segment is PVC as of now. So that's fine with us. Okay. Now this is my header having hydraulic supply. That is not good thing because we need domestic converter. PVC is fine. offset is 2750. That's fine with me. Okay, no worries. Plastic pipe is fine there. And now, and the dia of this one, I'll go with maybe 65, but we'll resize it. So don't worry about that one. Okay. But remember, it's 65. So we'll see how it'll change, how Revit will change the dias per the requirement. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll make it like that and fine. Now, I'll select all the plumbing fixtures which are having the same kind of things. Like these are all these all are having water closets, same kind of thing. So I'll select all of them in one go, and there is option create systems. So I'll click the create is the same way as we have done in HVAC systems as well, but there is one more thing that I'll show you in this particular video. Okay, so I'll go with the domestic cold water as of now because we are connecting these WCs with our domestic cold water. So I have selected system type domestic cold water. So system name is domestic cold water 2. That we can rename it, but that's not big deal for us now. We can click open in system editor, but that's not required as of now, but because that's not the aim of this particular video. Okay, I'll click on OK. So I've selected all of the WCs right now that I wanted to connect. Now there is one option generate layout. I'll click on that one. The same thing and I'll show you the solutions of them. Okay, so I'll click on the solutions. So the first one will be, let me show you in 3D so that you can understand in a better way. So as I have shown you, it will be created like that. The water supply connection will come like that. It will come at the elevation of 2750. Why 2750? Because if I click on the setting, there will be main and branch things are right there. So I'll go with pipe types and I'll select plastic again, and my offset will be 2750 because my header is also at 2750. Okay, but if you want to drop it a little bit, you can drop it from right there. For the same branch as well, I'll go with plastic and 2750. Fine. Now that's done from our end, and I like this particular network, but if you are not liking, you can change as per your requirement. Perfect. So I'll go with this one. I'll move it a little bit after creating. Okay. Slope we do not need, so it's 1:0. That's like zero slope. Okay. I'll not go with that way. So I just click on finish layout as of now, and it'll create my layout. So let me see after creating this one. Let's wait a little bit. Yeah, it's done. Let me find it and make it shaded. Perfect. Now it is created. You can see right here. And let me go and top view so that we can clearly see how it's working. Okay, it's kind of right there, and let me bring it inside the shaft. Perfect. And now what I'll do, I want to connect this one with this one. So what I'll do is that I'll delete this connection and I'll trim it with this. Perfect. And I'll connect this one with this one. It's connected enough. Sorry, should connect. I'm not sure why it did not work. Yeah, perfect. So let's go in 3D. Now if you'll see, it is all connected in one go. Perfect with my header. Now let's discuss about these what we can say wash basins or sinks. So let me go and top you. Let me delete this one, and I'll show you one more method to connect all of them plumbing fixtures in one go. But that's another method. Okay. So uh, I'll go right here and I'll move it a little bit like that, and let me connect this one first, and then I'll go there. Perfect. So WC's work are done. Now let's go with sinks. So my all sinks are right here. Okay. One method we got about piping systems. That's common. Now let's go with another method. Okay. I'll click my last plumbing fixture. Okay. There will be one option connect into. I'll click on that one. There will be this option. Why these three options are coming? Because if I'll select the particular fixture, whether it is WC or whatever, and click inside edit family, there will be uh, the amount of connectors. Those are visible right now. You can see this is the one that's for drainage, sanitary, right? This is for hot water, I guess, or cold water. Let me cross check. This is cold water and this is hot water. So that is why it was showing that there are three connections. It means there are three different pipe systems which can connect with this particular plumb fixture. So which kind of connection you want from this one? So if I'll connect this one again, click on connect into. Now it is showing domestic cold water, hot water, or sanitary. I'll go with domestic cold water because we are modeling that one, right? I'll click my pipe by which I want to connect this one. Now you can see disconnected with that one. Fine. Now simply I'll do the same kind of thing for all these cases, right? Logic converter. Okay. Now again for this one, let me finish this one ASAP so that we can proceed for further tasks. Connect into connect. Fine. So this is also one more method by which we can, connect. So there are two different methods that we did. Let me finish it in a faster way. So right now we are not doing pipe sizing. As of now, we did not do pipe sizing, but now we'll do that thing as well, right? So my header size is 65 till the end. I'll show you that thing as well. And this is the second last. And this is the last one. Perfect. So I have connected all my plumbing fixtures. Oh, sorry. So I have connected all my plumbing fixtures with the header. So if I'll show you in layout, my pipe sizing till right here is 65. Right is 25 and it's going 25 25 25 because I have connected all these in one go, right? And now all these are also 25 at the end also 25. So till right here we are having 65 and then after than that it is showing 25. Now I'm not doing anything. I'll just select the entire network. If I'll see in 3D, I selected each and everything. There are two options, System Inspector, Duct Pipe Sizing. I'll go with System Inspector first. I'll show you the use of this one. Click on Inspect and I'll show you from the beginning. Welcome right here. You can see there are two things which are visible. First one is this arrow. You can see it is showing the flow of the fluid or whatever it is flowing inside this one. So we know that's domestic all water. It means the water will flow inside this one, and the flow is in correct direction. Okay, that's fine. And now the second thing is that the you can see there are two things, flow and fixture units. So fixture unit is showing, okay, not for this one. I want to show for this one. This is the main header. It means it is considering overall fixture units which are coming inside this one. So total 114 fixture units it is considering, and the flow rate it is considering 4.5 liter per second. Okay, flow rate will be based on how many plumbing fixtures which are connecting with this one. Okay, so right now as till I guess I'll calculate how many are right there. Let's go with this. So 114 plumbing fixture unit are right there. So let's see is it correct or not. Okay, so let me see how many WCs are right. Sorry, how many WCs are right there first of all. So it's showing 14 WCs are right there, and for one WC we are having domestic, yeah, cold water fixture unit is 6. So it is 14 multiplied by 6. Let me open the calculator, and 14 multiplied by 6, it's coming 84, right? And the wash basins, how many wash basins are right there? We are having 10 wash basins. So for one wash basin we are having cold water fixture unit is 3. Okay, so 10 multiplied by 3, 30, right? So 30 plus 84 will be 114. That is why I was showing 114 fixture rate, right? And the flow rate will be reduced as the counting of the fixture rate for the particular header is reduced. So till right here it is showing Let me show you again. System inspector, inspect. It is showing 4.5 flow rate, right? If I'll go right here, it is showing 4.4, then 4.3. It will be reduced based on the count of the friction unit for that particular uh, header, right? Now that's done, but our pipe sizing is not correct as of now, because we know that it is not correct. The header is 65 till right here, but the overall is 25 from this end to this end. So I have selected the entire network for which I want to apply the duct pipe sizing tool. I'll click on that one and I'll go with 1.2 meter per second as of now. Click on OK. Oh, sorry, I have gone with calculate size only. Uh, we'll see the difference after than that. Okay. So in one go, let's see how it'll work, and then we'll change something a little bit right there in terms of velocity, maybe, and we'll see what kind of impact it'll do in the sizing. Okay. So it's just calculating as of now. Let it calculate. It'll take a little bit time. Yeah. So showing that the process is modifying is in opposite direction, causing the yeah. Because why it is showing this particular warning? I'll show you. Because if I'll select the entire network right now as well, nothing has changed. Okay, let me show you. If I'll show you by this one, it's 65 is 25 and 25 and then 25. Why it is? Because we did not go with the actual process. Okay, so I'll select the entire network again, click on duct pipe sizing. That's 1.2 meter per second. That's fine. Okay. But right now I have to go with match connector size, so that it'll change as per the actual flow rate and actual flow. So there'll not be any mismatches in terms of connectors. Okay. So I'll go with match connector size. Okay. Now it'll change as per the requirement, and it'll not take that much time now. Okay. So now if I'll show you in 2D, my header was 65 earlier, right? Now it had become 80. Okay, so it is 80 and 80, it is going till, yeah, it's still right here, it is 80. Now it is had become 65, and then it is 65 and 50, yeah, right here 50, and then 40, and then 15 at the end. Why? Because we know that's the last connection will be 15. So it has done a great job for us. Now it is perfectly designed as per the velocity. But for example, if I want to change the velocity, it'll change everything, right? How it is? Let me show you. If I select the entire network again, duct pipe sizing, I'll go with, for example, 1.5 meter per second. Fine. And now let's see. So I'll go right here, plumbing, TG, now 65, right? It was earlier 80. Now the same thing, 65, and then it'll become 50 somewhere. Yeah, it has become 50 right here, and then 40 maybe. Yeah, it is 40 right here, and then 32, and then 15. So it depends what kind of constraint you are applying in duct pipe sizing tool, and it'll modify the pipe sizes as per your requirement. So that's how we can do the connections in a faster way for all the plumbing fixtures. We can do the same thing for hot water and for drainage as well, and that's how we can reduce the time, and our productivity will be increased. So thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.